Hello students, this is A3 Education, Class 10 CBSE, Chapter 3, Pair of Linear Equation in 2 Variable, Example 6. In a shop, the cost of 2 pencil, 3 eraser is 9. 4 pencil, 6 eraser is 18. Here we need to find the cost of each pencil and eraser. Therefore, we need to find cost. Let the cost of one pencil equal to x. The cost of one eraser equal to y. Therefore, given condition is 2 pencil 2x plus 3 eraser is equal to 9. The next equation is, let this be the equation number 1. The second condition is 4 pencil plus 6 eraser is equal to 18. Therefore, this be the second condition. By considering the both the terms, the first equation is more smaller. Therefore, we take that equation. The first equation becomes 2x plus 3y equal to 9. Therefore, 2x is equal to 9 minus 3y. X is equal to 9 minus 3y divided by 2. Substitute x in equation number 2. Okay. Therefore, 4 into 9 minus 3y divided by 2 plus 6y equal to 18. Okay. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Multiplying 18 minus 6y plus 6y equal to 18. Cancelling, we get 18 equal to 18. Therefore, the statement becomes true. The statement is true because 18 equal to 18. Therefore, we don't get specific value for x and y, as both the equation are same. Both the equation are same. Therefore, we get infinite many solution. Therefore, we cannot find unique. We can't find the unique solution in this condition. In this situation. Okay. We see that both the equation are same. The first equation multiplied by 2, we get the second equation. Into 2, 4. Into 2, 6. Into 2, 18. Therefore, both the equation are same. Therefore, when both the equation are same, it will be a infinite many solution. Okay, thank you.